What causes HVAC drain lines to clog? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning drain lines usually clog because algae, slime, dust, rust, or dirt builds up inside the pipe and blocks the water created during cooling. When an air conditioner cools your home, it removes moisture from the warm air, and that moisture turns into water. The water drips into a drain pan and flows away through the drain line. Because the pipe is dark, damp, and often warm, a thin layer of algae or bacteria can grow inside it. Dust can mix with that slime and form a thick, sticky blockage. Rust, insect nests, and small pieces of insulation can also block the pipe, especially near the outdoor end. A drain line can clog faster if it has a low spot, a sharp bend, or the wrong slope, because water sits instead of flowing away. A clogged air filter can make the system dirty and increase the amount of material entering the pan. You can help prevent trouble by checking the drain pan and outdoor drain opening each month, keeping the air filter clean, and having the line inspected before heavy cooling season. One common mistake is ignoring a small amount of water near the indoor unit, so treat any leak as an early warning and turn off the system before water damages the ceiling or floor. Another mistake is pouring strong chemicals into the line, which may damage the pipe or create dangerous fumes, so use a cleaner approved for air conditioning drain lines and follow its directions. Some people clear the visible outdoor opening but forget that the blockage may be farther inside, so have the full line vacuumed or flushed when the clog returns. Never remove electrical panels or work around wiring unless the power is safely shut off and you know what you are doing. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.